All right, everyone, last math lesson for the week. Thursday is what we should be on right now. We are on Unit 8, Lesson 4. Today is all about quadrilaterals. So we'll get to that, but to review yesterday, we learned about pentagon, which penta means 5, and hexagon, which hexa means 6. So 5-sided shapes and 6-sided shapes. Today we are going to be learning about quadrilaterals, which are any shape that has 4 sides. So again, with our vocabulary words, we're going to be finding the vertices, the sides, and the angles. But if we look up at the board, quadrilateral and quad, remember this is a word that comes from a Greek language, and quad means 4. So any shape that has 4 sides, the most common 4-sided shape is a square, a rectangle, and I already did those in the other video, so I wanted to use this one, which is not so common but still has 4 sides. So to make sure that it's a quadrilateral, we have to look at its attributes: how many vertices, how many sides, how many angles. So quadrilateral has 4 sides. Let's see if this meets those attributes. So I'm going to find how many vertices we have. What are vertices again? They're the point of the shape, how many points they have. So we're going to find the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape has 4 vertices. Okay, the next vocabulary word is side. So we're going to find how many sides we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape has 4 sides. And the last one we're going to find is how many angles it has. Remember, vertex, or the vertices, are on the outside of the shape at the points. The sides are the lines, and then the angles are what's inside of our shape by the vertices. So inside the shape. Let's see how many they have. So this shape has how many angles? 4. Good. And remember, a quadrilateral has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles. So is this shape a quadrilateral? Yes. So I marked up and labeled those. What I want you to do now is in your math journal on page 199, it gives you a bunch of examples of quadrilaterals, and then it shows you examples that are not quadrilaterals, and then it's going to ask you some questions. How are they similar and how are they different? So I want you to look at that, answer those questions. You don't have to upload anything to me for that. After you feel comfortable with quadrilaterals, so 4-sided shapes, they can look different as long as they have 4 sides, they're quadrilateral. After you're done with that, you can do your math boxes on page 200 right here. And then you can take a picture of that and upload it into Dojo for me. And that was your math lesson for today. Remember, this week we were working with shapes that we already knew, but we are diving deeper into the vocabulary words: vertices, sides, and angles. We talked about pentagons, hexagons, quadrilaterals. Next week, I believe that we're getting into 3D shapes. So this week kind of got us back in, getting our feet wet with some of those things. And next week, it'll get a little bit harder. We'll build on the learning that we did from this week. Page 200 looks pretty easy. Number 1, we're just adding. Number 2, you're adding 4 2-digit numbers. So remember, it's in a line. I want you to turn that problem vertical and put them this way. Easier to do. The next one, number 3, is talking about centimeters. Number 4 is a word problem. So remember, circle all your important information and then see if it's telling us to add or subtract. And number 5, we're writing another number story to match the number model. So you should be able to do this page. When you are done, upload it into Dojo and I will grade it for you. And tomorrow we have off school. Whoa! So Friday, take the day off. It's Good Friday. Have a wonderful time with your family this weekend. Really enjoy Easter. I'm really sad we don't get to be at church on, Easter Sunday, because that's what I've done my whole life, but we will be celebrating here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful time and enjoy that time together. And I will see you Monday at 9 a.m. for your morning announcements. Have a good weekend.